Greetings to our net in bird-friendly Amazonian International. Today is November 6, 2020. We are broadcasting from one of the river shores in Pino Grande River. This place is close to the Kichwa Association of Guayusa Runa. Here we are all together with George Cornejo and James Guaman, all together with members of Guayusa Runa, this Kichwa Association, where the first ornithological interpretation center of the province of Pastaza is going to be founded. So that's the reason we are in this place, getting some ornithological registers, both migrant and regional, so we can justify the foundation of this center, which will help to the fields of production, tourism, and academic here, and there's a jurisdiction of Ecuadorian Amazonian. We have visited some places along the ecological corridor Merino-Guayusa Runa. There are many ecological patches over here. There's the presence of a botanical garden like Las Orquídeas Botanical Garden located in Los Angeles neighborhood. Then we have all the Pino Grande ecological basin. Then we have the community of San Jacinto, and following a lane we find this Kichwa Association Guayusa Runa. This place has beautiful spots, bird populated, of course, from where we are getting up this ornithological registers. The summer tanager, for example, has been registered here many times. We have declared this migrant bird as a resident bird in this place. There are many of them existing in this place. There are many justifications now for us to consider that we are in the right place. Thanks George, thanks Jaime Guaman, thanks Victor Guatatuca, thanks Franklin Guatatuca. We want to send our regards to Jaime Guatatuca, father, Curaca of the Guayusa Runa Kichwa Association, who gave us permission and authorization for us to be now here organizing and socializing through his family the importance of orni-reforestation as an alternative to recuperate wild birds in this area. Thank you very much, my dear audience. We will be in a next report from the ecological corridor Merino-Guayusa Runa, from where we are getting so amazing reports, so meaningful information, which will be used as a justification to exhibit in the first ornithological interpretation center, which will be located in the Kichwa Association of Guayusa Runa, piece of land that belongs to Tarqui Parroquia in Pastaza Canton, located and belonging to the province of Pastaza in Ecuadorian Amazonian. Thank you very much.